Hey Dividend Nomads, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give y'all a quick update on my very tiny small account and share with you guys my plans for this one. I think I'm going to call this something different from now on, but we'll get into that in just a minute. So this account right here is basically just a little fun account that I was using, and it's in the Weevil app, and I was basically just putting the money that I earned from YouTube, from this YouTube channel, into the portfolio, which I don't make much money on YouTube because YouTube doesn't pay very well. So, but anyway, that's not the point. The point is, whatever money YouTube pays me, I put into this portfolio every month, and that's usually around 100, maybe 150 to 300 bucks, depending on the month, right? Every month is different. You never know with YouTube, but usually something like that, 150, 300 bucks. So I started doing that so I can just kind of show people, what it looks like if you just have a small amount of money to invest and you're interested in high yield dividends. So I was trying to grow this portfolio a little bit with some options as well. So try to earn a little bit of extra income. But I think I'm gonna move away from that and just stick with the dividend thing for one reason, and one reason only. I think I'm going to turn this account into my what is called my rent account. I would basically just want this account to make enough money to pay my rent each and every single month. And living here in Asia, I live in China. My rent is very cheap, and I just live like that. I live frugal. I live in a cheap house, and actually, I plan to stay in Asia or Southeast Asia probably for my entire life. And for the time being, I can pretty much live anywhere in Southeast Asia in terms of rent for $500 or less. So you can, rent's really cheap. So basically, the goal right now is to get this portfolio where it's paying at least $500 per month. And that will pay the rent for no matter where I decide to live. So that's the goal. Let's dive into the portfolio. 3, 2, 1, bam. Okay, Webull. Let's open it up. We'll refresh it for you. So right now, this is sitting at $3,490, $291 in cash. But I am about to receive a dividend. Let me share that with you really quick. If I go to details, I can show you cash balance $291. Here we go. Dividends receivable. See that right there? $147.07. If I open it up, internet is slow. Come on. Okay, there you go. You can see Yo Max Misty is going to pay me $147. Webull always likes to pay late for some reason. I don't know why they do that, but Misty actually paid on Friday, but I won't receive this money until Monday. They always hold it over the weekend and give it to you on Monday for some reason. That's just Webull. I don't know why they do that, but anyway, on Monday I will get this $147, 100% for sure. So that's how much I just got paid from Misty. If you look at the account right here, the positions that I have Misty, which I just showed you the dividends I'm receiving from it, and I have 100 shares of Misty, and my average cost is $22.68. Okay, so that's where the 147 in dividends is coming from. It's 100 shares, and I also have this Rigetti position. I sell put options on it. Actually made some decent money on the put options on this, and actually I'll share that with you in just a minute. But yeah, I sold some put options here, made some money. I did get assigned because it dropped like a rock on last, what day was it? I can't remember what day it was. A few days ago. Anyway, it dropped like a rock, and then it shot back up like a rocket. So anyway, yeah, I got assigned on that one. It did expire. My sold a cover call, expired worthless. So I walked away with that extra money, lowering my cost average and making some income in the process. So not a bad thing there. Let's go. I'll show you this real quick. If I open up Rigetti, you can see I have 100 shares at where? Oh, it's my call option. Where's my shares at? Why don't it show my shares? It just shows my option for some reason. Anyway, I do have, actually, let me go here, I can show you. There you go. You can see down there, I have 100 shares of Rigetti. And my cost is $12.31. So, yeah. And I sold the options on it a couple times, actually. So I'm going to share that with you in just a minute. We'll share with you how much money I've got paid so far this month. And like I said, my plan for this portfolio, very simple, actually. So really quickly, we're going to do this one really fast today, guys. New screen recording. Bam. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right, here we are in the spreadsheet. We got the position here. We've got Misty and Rigetti, 100 shares each. There's my cost average. Actually, I need to change this because this one I just showed you, it was $12.31. Okay, there we go. That's better. So we got 100 shares each. My cost is here. That's the share price right now. If we scroll over here, I'll show you guys the returns on this really quickly. Come on, man. What's going on with you? Get over there. We want to see all the information. What's going on? Let's just do this. Sorry, man. This thing acting crazy today. All right. And my computer about to die. Okay, here we go. Hopefully you guys can see everything on the screen there now. Misty, total return, $526. Total return of 23.2%. And Rigetti, total return is minus 5.85%. That's really all there is to see there. You can see the total return of the portfolio, 19.7%, or positive $749. So sold the portfolio now, I'd have $750 more than I started with. Dividend log. Here's the dividends. You can see we've had Misty since September of 2024, $1.85, $12.59, 13. We got 9, 31, 60, 75, 145. Last month, 237, and this month we only got 147. And then here's my Rigetti position. Of course, Rigetti does not pay dividends, but this is the income that I earned in options premiums. So I put it here with the dividends so I can track the option premium. So we made $31 on this so far, and we still got 3 more weeks left. So to sell some options and make some money. But if this gets called away, that's fine, no big deal. And I will take all the extra money. Got 147, I got 300, 447, plus this position's worth, well, if I sell it, it was at $13, so it'd be $1,300. So I have another $1,350 that I can use to buy more Misty, which will increase this dividend a lot and get us close to that $500 per month mark that I'm aiming for in this portfolio. Because I think $500 is enough to pay my rent pretty much anywhere in Southeast Asia. Actually, right now, my rent in this apartment is like $200. So, it's already almost enough to pay for that. But yeah, you can see right now, so far, $178 this month is how much we made. So not too shabby for having $3,000 portfolio, and you make, $200 a month. It's okay. It's like I said, it's already enough to pay the rent. You can see up here, we had this $375 that paid my rent and utilities. $289, definitely enough to pay my rent, pay my phone bill, right? So it's really simple. Just what little bit of money you have to put to work. And the reason why I'm using Misty is because the total returns in Misty in every portfolio I've had Misty in is always positive, like 20% or more. And when you have a positive percentage this much, the return outweighs the price depreciation. So I can still pull this money out of the portfolio and spend it because it isn't on drip or nothing like that. Haven't added more shares, haven't done nothing, just let it pay and pay and pay, and that's it. So the return has outpaced the price decline. So I can actually use this money to pay my rent. So as long as it's doing that, we'll keep doing that. But I am probably gonna add to the position, like I said, and increase the position a little bit so we can get some more dividends and have the opportunity to, have the money to pay more bills or rent a nicer apartment. So this is my new little rent portfolio. But yeah, if my covered call for Rigetti gets assigned, that's fine. I'm not complaining. I'll just use that money. And you can see my Misty cost average 22.68. Right now it's 20.59. So I can use that money to average down and get more shares and get more distributions and have more rent money. So that's the thought and idea there. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And right now it is 7:45 in the morning, so I'm gonna cook some breakfast and I'm gonna head to the gym. But stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get another video out for you guys on maybe Wednesday or Thursday. I have another video for you guys. I'll get outside and make a video outside here in China instead of here in the house. So see you guys then. Take care. Thanks for watching.